Hi everybody, come with me, let's unbox my 7.5 kg washing machine. Okay, so I'm super excited about this washing machine because guys, I hate washing. I hate washing seriously, but I don't like wearing dirty clothes. So why people keep saying, Steve, go and get yourself a girlfriend, Steve, go and get this one, go and get that one, I insisted on getting a washing machine despite the fact that my laundry guy keep warning me washing machine doesn't wash well. No matter how you wash, no matter how you do, you have to use your hand to wash the clothes because washing machine will not wash well. You have to retouch, you have to do this. But guess what, that was since 2022, and this year I decided that I must get the washing machine no matter the price that it has gone up to. And here we go with 7.5 kg washing machine. Now some of you will be wondering, like one of my neighbor was asking, Steve, why do you have to go and get a big washing machine of 7.5 kg when you are just a single guy? You are not talking about marriage, you are not but why do you have to go and buy a big washing machine? So basically, when I was buying this washing machine, I was looking at what will actually wash my duvet. Of what use is the washing machine when it cannot wash my duvet? Who am I? Like, what the hell am I going to be doing? Washing, I finish washing and then come and carry duvet and be looking for elsewhere to go and wash, or maybe still go and give a laundry person. How does that sound? Like, it doesn't make sense, right? So I had to rather go for what will contain my duvet, and here we go with 7.5 kg. You can take a look at it. I'm just taking out the nylon here and at the same time looking at the ambience of the washing machine. Like, I'm super excited with this stuff here because it has to save me a whole lot of stress. Take a look. Just take a look at the ambience of the washing machine. Come on now. Come on now. This was a good buy actually, and so far so good. There is no regrets at all. Okay, so this is the stuff that it came in. This is the spin tube, and this is how it looks like. Okay, I'm taking out this foam here, and what you are seeing here, this is the pipe that fetching water there. We introduce them later on. These are the legs, you attach them down, and I think there is still another stuff. You can see this is a 7.5 kg, and these legs here, we're just going to attach them later on. Don't worry, I'm going to take you on every bit of this setup here. You have the user manual here, and you have the warranty paper there and some screws to attach the legs down. So this is the cover where you put on top of the cloth that you are spinning. Without that cover, it won't spin. So this is the spin tube, the washing tube over here, and you can see this is very, very huge, and I like it. This will contain my duvet, and I'm super excited that it was actually able to do that. So in a short minute, I'll be doing a quick overview and then introduction of the functionalities and all those kind of things. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh yeah, now let's go. Talking about the functionality, what you have here, this stuff you have here, like this is what we call the control panel of the washing machine. Okay, the control panel. Now on the control panel we have the washing timer. What you have here, this is the washing timer. This is a washing timer. So this is where you set how many minutes you want your washing program to run, depending on the kind of clothes that you want. The clothes are too dirty and they are too tough, this is the timer. The higher the timer. So that is basically, so this one is called the adjustable handle. This is the adjustable handle. So basically you adjust it to either spin or you adjust it to wash. So it depends on what you want to do per time. So this particular one here is called the spin timer. Okay, this is the spin timer. So when you are washing, this is the one you use, and when you are spinning, this is the one you use. And then this one is actually the wash program. So this is the button where you get to change the kind of washing you want to do. So if you are washing gentle, on gentle wash, when you're putting it gentle wash, is actually for clothes that are not too too hard, clothes that are soft. Let's say like all these inner wears, all these soft polos and the rest of them, all these soft sheets. Them, this is where you put it when you are washing them. And if you are washing things like jeans, things like duvet, and then things like tough clothes like jeans and chinos, this is where you put it on standard. Okay, so here basically is the drain. That is where you drain out the water after washing. So over here we basically have the washing inlet mouth. The washing inlet mouth. So this is where you connect this pipe, this particular pipe here. This is where you connect it. Okay, this is where you connect it. And what it does is that when you connect here, then you connect this side to your water source, let's say to your tap, is going to bring in water into the washing machine for people who have water running within their apartment. So if your water is not running within your apartment, you just fetch it and then you add here manually, and then you're gonna make use of it there. So over here we have the spinning tube. So this is called the spinning tube, and then this is called the washing tube. So this stuff here is called the pulsator. So these are just the basic functionality. So okay, so here we have the spin tube. So on this spin tube here, we have this particular cover here, and whenever you put your clothes for spinning, you take it and put it on top of it like this. Otherwise it won't spin. Then you cover this, and then you cover this one, and then you go ahead and program your spinning, and boom, it will start spinning. Okay, so next I'm going to be setting it down. Okay, sorry guys. So this one here is basically called the drain pipe. So this is where all the dirty water, in fact all the water from the washing machine, this is where they are going to be coming out. And when you are washing, you are basically going to hang it up so that it won't obstruct the washing program you are doing. Okay guys, so what we are going to do next is to put all these handles, all these legs under the washing machine. We're going to put them right on. So do that. So here we go. For the other side, so you can see the way they are. You see the way they are. So some of them, this one with bent angles, these are the ones meant for this particular place. So we attach them like this. Like this. Are you guys seeing it? So you attach it like that. You can see, and then I think there are actually screws under it. There are actually screws under it, so we're going to screw it later on and put it like that. Take this to this side, so put it like that, and boom, that's it guys. So there are some screws under here. You can see this, there's a hole here on all the four of them. So there are some screws attached here. I think there were some screws. Yeah, so see the screws here. So I'm now going to install them. So I also have the warranty from here, so you fill it and submit. I was basically I wasted time there, so I couldn't even check this, but maybe when I fill it I can go and submit. But whatever, whether I submit or didn't submit, my warranty is still valid, so it doesn't really matter to me. 1 year warranty is 1 year. So I'm putting in the screws right now. Come on. That last screw here, it actually stressed the hair out of me. Thank God I just finished it now. So after attaching the legs, this is what we basically have at the moment. So I'm seeing under here that this drainage pipe, it can actually be passed two different angles. You can either choose to position it this side, or you remove it from here and then you they have attached it there, you remove it there and then you pass it this other side here, you pass it here. So it depends on wherever. Let's say when you put it and then your wall is close to this side, then you use it like this. So if your wall is close to this side, you just remove it and then pass it through this other side. You'll be able to drain out the water. So guys, basically that is just the setup as at now. I don't have anybody in the house at the moment, so setting up everything myself, I literally started sweating, but it is well, sure. So what are we going to do next? I'm taking it to my bedroom, and then we'll try some couple of laundry and we're gonna see how the whole thing will look like. Are you ready for that? Let's go.